Hey there, hikers! Dreaming of an unforgettable hiking adventure? Be prepared with the latest gadgets and tools to make your outdoor experience safer, more enjoyable, and downright epic. With endless options out there, it can be daunting to find the perfect gear for your needs. No worries, we're here to help. In this video, we'll reveal must-have hiking gadgets and tools that will transform your trekking experience. 1. A Swiss Army knife so you can finally fulfill your dream of being a rugged outdoorsman, or at least look the part. As you gear up for your next hiking adventure, one tool that can't be overlooked is a Swiss Army knife. After all, what's a rugged outdoorsman without a trusty pocket knife? This versatile gadget can accomplish so many tasks, from opening a can of beans to trimming a loose thread on your backpack. And if we're being honest, even if you don't know how to start a fire with 2 sticks, having a Swiss Army knife will at least make it look like you do. So, whether you're truly a wilderness expert or just want to look the part, don't hit the trail without this essential tool in your backpack. 2. A portable solar-powered charger for your phone. Because let's be real, you can't survive without Instagram-worthy photos. If you're thinking about hitting the trails and documenting your journey on Instagram, you know that your phone battery is the MVP of your adventure. But what happens when your phone dies and you're nowhere near an outlet? Enter the portable solar-powered charger. This gadget will keep your phone juiced up and ready to snap some more nature pics, all while saving your life at the same time. Well, maybe not literally, but you get the point. Bonus points for being eco-friendly and making Mother Earth happy. Plus, let's be real, who wants to risk missing out on the perfect shot just because their phone died? So yes, while technically it's a useful hiking gadget, we all know you're really bringing it for the gram. Hey, no shame in the Instagram game? 3. A water filtration system. Because drinking water from a stream is only cool in survival movies. When you go hiking, you might be tempted to drink water from a nearby stream. After all, isn't that what you see Bear Grylls doing all the time on his survival show? But let's face it, you're not Bear Grylls, and drinking from a stream is only cool in survival movies. If you want to avoid contracting harmful parasites or bacteria that'll leave you feeling sicker than a dog, consider bringing a water filtration system with you on your next hiking trip. Not only will it save you from potentially disastrous consequences, but you can also impress your friends with your fancy gadgetry. Just don't forget to read the instructions before you start drinking from it, or you might end up with more than just clean water in your system. To sum up, hiking gadgets and tools can enhance your outdoor adventure and make it a safer experience. From navigation devices like GPS and maps, to hydration packs and multifunctional tools such as a Swiss Army knife, there are a variety of options to choose from based on your individual needs and preferences. Additionally, safety gear like headlamps and first aid kits can help you deal with unforeseen scenarios. Remember to do your research before hitting the trails, and always prioritize safety and preparation to ensure a successful and enjoyable hiking experience.